What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the Dubois family dinner. We like to eat well on a budget.
Tonight we are going to be making Jamaican jerk chicken with coconut rice.
Alright, so we're going to make our jerk seasoning. We're going to start off with actually some pumpkin pie spice. So this actually has a few of the ingredients that we want from it, including cinnamon, some nutmeg, some clove, and ginger. And we're going to add just a little bit of cayenne because it is pretty spicy, but you want that kick in the jerk seasoning. Next, we're gonna use our fajita seasoning. So we're using this because it has onion powder and garlic powder. And so we're just gonna use a little bit of that. We're gonna add marjoram. And this is just one of the dry seasonings you can find. And then to sweeten it all up so it's not too spicy, we're gonna add some brown sugar. Okay, and we'll mix all that in, adding salt and pepper along the way. Good amount of pepper and then a good amount of salt.
We are using 2 chicken breasts today that we have cut in half so we can have leftovers for tomorrow. So after seasoning one side, we're gonna flip them over so we can get the other side.
Okay, a little trick I learned along the way to make it non-stick on your grill. You just take part of an onion and you rub it while it's hot. And it adds a little flavor and makes the grill non-stick. Now we're just gonna go ahead and put them on the grill. Got it nice and hot. You wanna hear that sizzle as you put it on. And the key is to let it sit. Give it some time on each side.
So we are just going to cut some mango to top off our rice bowl. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at this chicken. So our coconut rice is done. We have made this before in our sweet and spicy chicken video, I think it was. So feel free to refer to that if you want the recipe, but we basically just cook it in our rice cooker in coconut milk instead of water. So we're gonna put our bowl together now. We've got our grilled chicken on here, and then we're gonna put some cut up mango on the other side.
All right, y'all, thanks for watching. Say bye.
Say bye, Bubba.